Hi, my name is Andrew Armstrong. I'm a research fellow at Loughborough University in the Electronics and Electrical Engineering department. My current research is on video compression. I bring my automotive electrical knowledge to the team and general mechanical and tinkering know-how.
Hi, my name is Pete Gibbon. I'm the team captain. Still a student, trying to be a plumber now. Carried on with my electronic and electrical engineering degree, but decided that wasn't for me. Plumbing was the way forward. Skills I'm going to bring to the team are welding and engine and know-how of engines.
My name is Fergus Kendall. I'm a student at Loughborough University studying manufacturing engineering, and I'll be bringing my skills of general mechanical engineering know-how and automotive knowledge with me.
Originally we planned to build something fantastic, but such is the nature of Scrapheap, we left it to the last minute to come up with something, so we had to scale down our plans. We've decided to make something called an air cannon. It supposedly uses the venturi action of a tight skin on the cylinder to force out a column of air. A model like this one is sufficient to blow out a candle at 4 inches. So we've decided to scale this up using a much larger vessel, Fergus, if you will.
This is the item we've actually chosen to make the body of the cannon from. This is, as you can see, quite an impressive refuse bin. And what we plan to do is perhaps modify it in such a way that it will have a hole in the base.
What we're going to do is we're going to take this and scale it up. So we've got a small bin, as you can see. Somebody hits it on the back, top of there, blows out little candles. But if we make it bigger, sort of big hand, slaps it, should blow over person, hopefully. So the challenge is to build that. I'll now pass you over to Andrew, who's about to do the construction work of that. Right, Andrew will now perform the operation on the bin.
You're recording?
Yeah.
I shall now commence construction by cutting the necessary hole in the bottom of the bin. We haven't quite worked out what dimension it should be, so I'll just have to do a rough estimate.
So I'm now going to deburr the hole and circularise it.
That's what he says to all the ladies.
As Andrew says, my circle is not very round, but
There's a bit of a flat there, need to remember.
but I'm not mad. I can see through the hole, obviously we're...
Well, it proves it's there.
Now inserting the bag over to make the drum skin, or whatever the technical term is. You can deal with the tape dispenser.
So get around this one?
Yeah. What we will do, you see, is trim the excess.
This is where it stimulates the sphincter.
Tight, taut. Stretch it.
There we go. Right now.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good, you know.
Some tape slicer.
To conclude the success of our experiment, we have to conduct proper scientific research. We've chosen a small test target, which we'll use to try to knock over the original prototype and then the scaled up one. Hopefully the latter will have better results. Nothing.
And now the larger super cannon.
It was successful as it was, but with a scrapyard, 10 hours of build time and 1 hour tinkering time, we could build something bigger and better that could possibly blow over a small vehicle or a house.
Or a small cat.
Or a small cat.